Top body kits in 2023. Body kits are a great way to enhance the appearance and performance of your car. They can give your car a more aggressive, sporty, or luxurious look, depending on your style. Body kits can also improve your car's aerodynamics, which can lead to better fuel economy and handling. Here are some of the top body kits in 2023. Toyota Land Cruiser LC300GR Body Kit. The Toyota Land Cruiser LC300GR Body Kit is a great way to give your Land Cruiser a more aggressive and sporty look. The kit includes a new front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper, and roof spoiler. The kit is made of high-quality materials and is easy to install. Mitsubishi Outlander Body Kit. The Mitsubishi Outlander Body Kit is a great way to personalize your Outlander and make it stand out from the crowd. The kit includes a variety of options, such as front and rear bumper extensions, side skirts, and a roof spoiler. You can choose the options that best suit your style and budget. Honda Civic Muggin Style Body Kit. The Honda Civic Muggin Style Body Kit is a great way to give your Civic a more aggressive and sporty look. The kit includes a new front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper, and rear spoiler. The kit is made of high-quality materials and is easy to install. Toyota Fortuner Legender Tiam Style Body Kit. The Toyota Fortuner Legender Tiam Style Body Kit is a great way to give your Fortuner a more luxurious and aggressive look. The kit includes a new front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper, and rear spoiler. The kit is made of high-quality materials and is easy to install. Toyota Yaris TRD Body Kit. The Toyota Yaris TRD Body Kit is a great way to give your Yaris a more sporty and aggressive look. The kit includes a new front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper, and rear spoiler. The kit is made of high-quality materials and is easy to install. When choosing a body kit, it is important to consider the following factors. Compatibility. Make sure the body kit is compatible with your car model and year. Material. Body kits are typically made of fiberglass, polyurethane, or carbon fiber. Fiberglass is the most affordable option, but it is also the least durable. Polyurethane is more expensive than fiberglass, but it is also more durable. Carbon fiber is the most expensive option, but it is also the lightest and most durable. Finish. Body kits can be purchased unpainted or painted. If you are purchasing an unpainted body kit, you will need to have it painted to match your car's color. Price. Body kits can range in price from a few $100s to several $1,000s. It is important to set a budget before you start shopping. Once you have considered all of these factors, you can start shopping for body kits. There are many different body kit manufacturers and retailers to choose from. It is important to read reviews and compare prices before you make a purchase. It is also important to note that body kits can affect your car's warranty. Be sure to check with your car dealer before you install a body kit to make sure it will not void your warranty.